If you freeze during conflict and replay conversations endlessly, this video will teach you what to say, even when your mind goes blank, without feeling guilty or over-explaining. I know how it feels. You want to speak up, but your body refuses. Your words vanish, and then later, you feel frustrated with yourself. It's not because you're incapable. It's because your nervous system has learned these survival patterns, and there's a way to work with it. So once you start recognizing that freeze response, the next question is, what do you actually do in the moment? The first thing that helps is something I call pause and name it. When you feel your body tighten or your mind go blank, take a slow, deep breath and remind yourself, my body is just reacting to old patterns. Nothing is wrong with you. This isn't a failure. It's your nervous system doing what it learned to do so that it could keep you safe. Just naming that can take some of the edge off and help your body to settle enough to respond. From there, the second strategy is the one sentence rule. When you're frozen, you don't need to explain everything. In fact, trying to say too much can actually make the panic worse. Instead, pick one short, clear sentence that you can say calmly. Something like, I need a moment to think about this. That one sentence buys you time, protects your boundaries, and keeps you from over-explaining while your body catches up. And if the tension keeps rising, this is where an anchor phrase can really help. An anchor phrase is something simple that you can repeat when things feel intense. A phrase that gives you structure while your nervous system adjusts. For example, I hear you and I want to respond clearly. For example, I hear you and I want to respond carefully. You're not shutting the conversation down, you're creating safety so that you can stay present. These aren't tricks or scripts to force yourself through discomfort. They're small ways to help retrain your nervous system while allowing you to speak your truth. I've actually turned these strategies into simple scripts and exercises that you can use in real, everyday life situations, from everyday disagreements to more emotionally charged family conversations. If you want those, you'll find a link below to my free 5-minute emotional reset guide, as well as the freeze response recovery kit. If freezing is something that you struggle with, small steps can make a real difference over time. And if you want more tools to help you to feel confident and grounded in your conversations, subscribe. The channel is for women who are learning to trust themselves again.